This thing is just pumping right up there, up 12%, 70 cents. We've been waiting for this breakout for a long time on this thing. I love Fetch. I absolutely love this thing. If we go out on on a weekly on this, look at these nice rounded bottoms on these moves. Look at this rounded bottom here, this big push up, rounded bottom, big push up. I used to watch a guy that always said rounded bottoms pay the bills. Whenever you get a rounded bottom, like, right down to rounded bottom, push up, rounded bottom. Yeah, so makes sense. Had this huge, it looked like a cup and handle forming on this thing. We were waiting for a breakout forever. Look at this, looked like a perfect cup and handle, and we just never got the breakout. Came down here, went sideways. This is on the weekly, so this went on for weeks. Finally got the breakout. All right, we broke this previous high over here, which is huge. Okay, so now as far as a Fibonacci, we have to go, up here and look for targets. And I have a lot higher targets for this thing. I'd be looking. Look at this. I mean, that's where I'd be heading next. Let's go into monthly and see the next fib levels. Broke through. Whoops. Let me see here. Let's get this off here a second. I'm going to take a look at this one here. Did it break through all these levels? Yeah, it's through the 786. So the next one I would be, it's just about through the 786 on that. I would be up on this one up here. Okay. Yeah, this thing is going, in my opinion. The monthly RSI is still heading up on it. You got your weekly. Right at the top, 94, 96. Flipped a little bearish here on the weekly. You got your daily, still pushing up. The 12-hour getting near the top. The 8-hour at the top. And the 4-hour at the top. Okay, so maybe a little push higher here. Okay, and flip this area into support. Okay, out on a weekly. Actually, yeah, this turned out to be our resistance here. This was a major area I had marked out here because you can see all this through here, all this support area through here. I would like to see it flip that now into support, okay, which would be huge. Let's get this off here so we can see. So I would be watching for Fetch maybe to go just a little bit higher here. If you any kind of price target, if I put a fib on here, a 1618, it already blew through. The 77 cent could be the next area it could be heading to, and then I would expect this thing to head up and then some kind of retrace here. Okay, maybe a ABC in here, something. Okay, especially with that weekly. Of course, the weekly can stay up there for a while, but it is up there. That daily still has some pushing up to do. Your 12-hour, like I said, it could go up a little bit more. So looks like maybe a little bit higher here, but we want to definitely hold this 67 cents as support. Be watching for possibly 77 to come in here. Okay, then a pullback. All right, these RSIs are just getting a little overextended, but Fetch is looking great, guys. Congratulations. Big shout out to all my members. I love you guys. 4 new ones today. If you're interested, guys, level 3 trading courses are $14.99. All right, we got 50 some members now. Thank you so very, very much to every single one of you. I really mean that. You need to get a hold of me. I get members messages separately from anybody else. And just send me a message. I get it immediately. Thank you so very much, guys. Have a great night.